Morning everybody! Oh, I am freezing this morning. It's so cold here. I've had to layer up. I've got my puffy things underneath here. I'm all poofy. But I can't wait to get cooking today, partly because it's going to warm me up. And we are going to do a lovely recipe today, a nice winter warmer. Yay! So we're going to do a vegetarian and low carb cottage pie. So I'm going to do the veg first, and we're just going to roast that off in the oven. So it's a nice roasted veg cottage pie, and then we're going to do some cauliflower mash on the top. I'm doing this one today. I'm going to my mum's tonight, take the kids down just to pay her a visit, and she's just recently been told that she has to lower her cholesterol. So she's got to start eating less meat and lots more veggies, and for somebody that grew up on meat and potatoes basically, it's quite a difficult change for her. And so I'm going to take this down tonight and see if she likes it, because I'm going to be passing on some of these recipes, because obviously there's no meat, which she has to cut down on, and lots of veggies and fresh fruit and things like that that we're going to be using in the recipes. So I'm hoping that we can start to make a little bit of a difference to my mum's life as well. Obviously I chose low carb and vegetarian because, well, I'm vegetarian anyway, but I just wanted to be a bit healthier really and start to cut out some of those stodgy carbs. So I'm really interested to see how she's going to get on with it in the path to her lowering her cholesterol. So anyway, you might have issues like that with cholesterol, so these recipes are definitely good for that as well. But I'm going to test it on her tonight, and I'll let you know how we get on. Anyway, I haven't done anything yet, so I need to get cracking with the food prep. So I will stop talking and get cooking. hot in the kitchen now, which is great. So there we are, our cottage pie is all done, and it looks amazing and smells delicious. I just went outside, and actually you can smell it from outside the house. It smells great. So I'm going to leave that one for tonight and have that with my mum. I'm going to film a little film just to show you how she gets on. She's never tried it before, so it'll be interesting to see what she thinks of it. And trust me, she will not hold back on the truth, so we shall find out. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this one. It really is a delicious meal, and actually the kids love it too, and sometimes I might be a bit cheeky and serve it with a few baked beans or something with them, for them, but yeah, they do love it. Anyway, I will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.